dear friends. The moment people become sure that you will always stay, that you will never leave, that no matter how they treat you, you'll still be there, that is the moment they start losing respect for you. They reply late. They ignore your presence. They stop valuing your time. And slowly, without even realizing, you lose your power. But here's the truth most people don't understand. Respect doesn't come from love. Respect comes from the fear of losing you. Yes, the moment someone feels they can lose you at any time, everything changes. Today, I'll show you how to create that shift without fighting, without chasing, and without saying a single word. Number 1, stop being always available. If you're always there, always replying instantly, always ready, you become predictable, and predictable people are taken for granted. Start creating space. Delay your responses sometimes. Focus on your own life. Don't be instantly accessible, because your presence creates comfort, but your absence creates value. Number 2, control your emotions. Your emotions are your biggest strength and your biggest weakness. If someone can trigger you, they can control you. The moment you react with anger, frustration, or desperation, you give them power. But when you stay calm, when you don't react the way they expect, you become unpredictable. And unpredictable people are respected and feared. Number 3, focus on yourself. Most people lose respect because they focus too much on others. They try to impress, they try to please, they try to fit in. But powerful people do the opposite. They invest in themselves, their mindset, their skills, their growth. And when you do that, your energy changes. You don't chase attention anymore. You attract it. Number 4, stop over-explaining yourself. You don't need to justify your actions. You don't need to explain every decision. You don't need approval. The more you explain, the weaker you appear, because now your value depends on their understanding. Instead, be silent. Let people think. Let them wonder. Mystery creates attraction, and the less they understand you, the more they think about you. Number 5, be ready to walk away. This is the most powerful rule. If you are afraid of losing someone, you will always stay below them. But the moment you are okay with walking away, everything changes. Your posture changes. Your confidence changes. Your decisions change. And people feel it. Because now you are not attached. You are in control. And when someone knows that they can lose you, they stop taking you for granted. Dear friends, you don't need to control people. You just need to control yourself. Because the moment you stop chasing, stop reacting, and start valuing your own presence, people will start valuing you too. Not because you asked for it, but because they are afraid to lose you. If this made sense to you, type power in the comments and subscribe. Because here, we don't beg for attention. We build presence.